Hi guys, today we're gonna play some. I'm just a little sick. Today we're gonna be playing some Gunfight Arena. Yeah. I actually played this game before, so if you see me like have a lot of cash, yeah, just know that oh yeah, I forgot. I used to have 78,000 when I bought a new gun. So I probably have like 27,000 or something. Yeah, but anyway. So if you guys wanna do that, I remember I was so mad when it had 0 kills. Then I got mad and killed the guy that keeps on killing me. Yeah, sorry guys. As I was saying, yeah, Black Split videos. Blah 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 blah. It's not. And there's a big problem with my video. There's no sound. For real, I talked in this, and I realized there's no sound. Like, bro. Look, my mic's on. Maybe I don't have a good number 5. Oh no, I'm not number 5. You guys look too late. Trying to call me I'm gonna call them after this video, you know. See, I keep on dying. And I think maybe I should chip in. Why is that guy crouching? Cool. I tried to be stealthy and end up well. I don't even know how to get these guys because I want to fight. Showed the boss. I deeply apologize for not uploading a lot during the holidays. Now bye guys. What the heck is happening here? Yes, just pure black, guys. Now it's just me talking. You guys can read the video because here's just me talking about stuff. Yeah. So I'm only gonna post weekly because school's starting. So maybe like one on Monday and one on Saturday. Every single week. Yeah, that's all I can say. That's all I'm gonna say. Bye, y'all. Hope you have a great day.